Think of the typewriter as just an old office tool, right? Well, it did something pretty revolutionary for women in the workforce. In the late 1800s, the typewriter became a game changer. Before that, most office jobs were dominated by men. But when the typewriter came along, something shifted. Women, who had previously been excluded from many jobs, were suddenly in demand as typists. Why? Because typing was seen as a clerical skill, and women were considered naturally suited for it. This led to a boom in women entering the workforce in offices, especially as secretaries and clerks. By the early 1900s, many women had new opportunities for work, all thanks to the typewriter. A simple machine, but it changed history by opening doors for women in the professional world. Follow for more fascinating stories from history.